Alright, hey guys, we're back with another video, and today we're unboxing the Kyrie 5s. This is the box it came in. It was actually shipped from footlocker.ca. It was about $135 plus tax, before tax I mean. Yeah, so this is the box it came in. It was a little bit damaged up there. It's got this little design up front. It says Kyrie 5 right there. And so we'll quickly go around the box, and there it is. It's size 11, and yeah, white black colorway. Yeah, they also had a red and black colorway that was also 135 before tax, but I decided to pick these up instead. I don't know if that's a good view, but that's the bottom side. Now let's get it opened. Alright. So there's some paper right there covering the shoes. And here are the shoes itself. So I'm just going to take out both of these. Put that back in the box. Move that out the way. And we're just going to get a quick look at these shoes. So these are the shoes. This is the left shoe. And yeah, looks very nice. And it's also got the design from the box where it's like a triangle with the eye in the middle. It's not bad. Looks alright. If you look on the inside, you can see some sort of a signature, it seems. I'm not sure if that's Kyrie's signature or not. But yeah, if you look at the bottom, you can also see the eye again up here. You also see the Kyrie logo. Yeah, looks pretty nice. Let's see here. Ooh, the signature again on the, I don't know, this kind of strap on the shoelaces. It's like under the shoelace, but yeah, there's also these little things used to hook the shoelace up. And yeah, there's also, yeah, the signature. They got the logo up there. Got the Nike swoosh right there. And yeah, it's pretty nice. And they also got this little V at the back. I'm not exactly sure what that's supposed to mean. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure. Oh, 5. Yeah, it probably stands for 5, being the 5th shoe of Kyrie. And yeah, anything else? I mean, I do see it says humble, I believe. Yeah, right there. I don't know how focused it is, but you know, I don't know how to make a GoPro focus, but it does say humble right there. And yeah, it also says air zoom, turbo. That seems to be it though. Right, alright. So if you guys have any questions about this shoe, please leave them down below in the comment section. If you want to pick these up for yourself, they'll be in the link in the description to footlocker.ca. I'm not sure about if they sell this in footlocker.com. I'm not exactly sure. They probably have it. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. And yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.